Hello. Today, let's have a look on your jammed HP Envy 5000 series printer. If there's stacked some paper in it, you have three locations to look at. But the first step is switch off your repellents by easily pulling the cable out of the dock. It's the easiest way, as you can see. So, if it plugged off, you're ready to have some action inside. For this, we're going on to the top side of the printer, and on the left and on the right side, we have the possibility to open the maintenance area. Here we are. Let's open it. Good job. And now let's have a look into the maintenance area. This is the big area inside of the HP Envy. In this case, it's a 5030 printer, and there are many possibles where the paper can be jammed. First step is have a look at the front side. Maybe here is some jammed paper, and have a maintenance look to the cartridge ink system itself. But then, if there's nothing paper anymore, okay, let's go to the next thing. We have a closer look, or we can do a closer look to the duplex area and the back side of the maintenance area. To open this, switch it on or switch it open, and then lift this case up. And here we can see there's a little bit of paper in it. Yeah, good job, we found it. So here we can remove the first paper area. That's the first possibility for jammed paper areas. Okay, but there's more. But first step, we have to get back this cover into position. Have a look. On the right and the left side, there are some host areas in the back, and then we have to push both levers together and dog it back in position. If we have done this, we go to the next area, close the maintenance area, and now rotate the printer 90 degrees to look under the printer. We are now underneath the printer, and we pull out now the paper cassette. This is the tank for the paper, okay? And there you can see there's a little jammed paper too. Oh yeah. Let's have a closer look. Often it will be jammed there. If there is some paper jammed, we have to pull it out because there are so many mechanical parts of the printer. Take care. Okay. Now we can see job's done. Every jammed paper is gone, and we are back in business. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.